Today, Kylan and I are going to film a little bit of a cinematic. Now, I 120% haven't filmed enough content with the Supra. I literally bought my dream car and I barely show you guys the car. I barely do anything with it. I just drive it on Fridays pretty much. So today we're going to be driving up to a mountain, hopefully catch the sunset, and yeah, it should be pretty nice. Okay, so we've just come down to one of my favorite coffee shops. Kylan's not quite ready to meet up yet, so probably still another like half an hour, 45. So I've just parked kind of right near the water. I'm gonna go grab a coffee, and then yeah, well, we might take a few videos of the Supra down the road. So I'll go grab a coffee and I'll be right back. All right. Coffee has been secured. Just got a message from the Queensland Supra Club. Apparently this afternoon there is a Supra meet and photo shoot on. So I don't know, we'll discuss we'll have a chat to Kylan about what he wants to do, whether he wants to hit the mountain or go to the meet, but that would be really cool. Maybe we'll just go to that, hang out with some other Supras, have a nice chill afternoon. I was on my way here and I saw this little like white concrete patch that was like a dead end. So we're literally gonna drive to it now, park up. I don't think you're supposed to park there. Actually, I know you're not supposed to park there, but we're gonna go check it out and see if we can get some good footage. Okay, so this is a little spot I found. Yeah, I thought this would be pretty cool. I don't know if I've lined the car up properly, but yeah, I reckon that's pretty cool. It is very dark. We made it. Whoa, this is sick, what the fuck? So a few people have shown up to the little Supra photo shoot. We've got mine behind me. Such a like really picturesque sort of scene on the rooftop. Looks really cool, and like there's this big ass building behind me, which is cool. There's currently 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over there. Just trying to have a relaxing afternoon really. Something to do on Sunday, so. How you going there, mate?
Pretty good, mate. What are you doing here?
You know.
See my pulsar downstairs? I just bought it.
Let's do it. Let's get the drone out.
I don't know what you said on the first part of that sentence, but
What do you mean? Let's get the what?
whatever you said before "get the drone out" didn't make sense. That wasn't English. Can you heat up my meal? Dude, he actually did like a skit on his Instagram probably a week after we went to Japan. It was exactly that skit.
Who did?
The guy from the original.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
True. Yeah, just Japan shenanigans. Trying to ask people at the 7-Eleven how to heat up my meal.
Can you heat up my meal? But it sounds like you're about to shoot up the store.
Look at all the Supras. What's in the goodie bag?
What do you got in here?
Don't look.
Show me.
It's my Pokemon card collection.
Oh, dude.
Actually, no, my Yu-Gi-Oh card collection.
I was about to say you.
Okay, let me let you in on a
Pokemon
little
cards?
secret.
Yeah.
This is what separates the boys from the men. The only reason we're all up here is to actually come a little closer. To duel.
No. We're gonna duel?
We're gonna duel.
Dude,
imagine I just whip out like one of those like fucking arm discs.
Dude, comes out of your arm?
Yeah.
So what drone is this?
This is Mavic.
Why do you keep turning into a Polish Czech Republic guy?
This is a Mavic Mini 3 Pro.
Yeah.
Cannot forget about the Pro. Yeah, we're just gonna send the drone up.
The drone. That's the third time you've done that now.
We're just gonna send the drone up.
Alright, ready? Now you get to cut to it up there because I've just thrown it up in the sky.
Oh, okay.
Launch it. Dude,
Just throw it off the building.
I've actually always wanted to do that. Throw a drone and it just stabilizes and flies away. Can we try with this one?
No.
Better say, it doesn't look like it's on.
See, like right now, so you can shoot these in log as well.
Yeah.
So this is in like DJI log. So you can do like normal, or you can do like.
Is DJI log the same as like Sony or Canon and everything?
It's all different, but like, it's the same concept. All right, ready? We go up.
Got the big toys out.
That's sick.
Straight in the middle.
I'll just crash into your car.
Yeah, do it. Do that. I know we can play the car.
I got a $2.51 for Christmas when I was 15.
And then crashed it, and it never worked again.
I don't think it even took off.
Dude, there's like a rollerblading party happening on down here, I think. Dude, look at the JBL party box.
Dude, is that a 310? Dude, it's slow blading. Dude, is that an MX-5?
Dude, is that a Miata?
What is going on right now?
Oh,
I'm trying to like not record them, but record them. That guy did not look happy when he saw the camera.
dude, this is a Miata.
Dude, that's sick.
I need to sell all my Miatas right now, bro.
That was so strange.
Dude, I bet you like the old, like really flamboyant dude is the one that owns the Miata.
Yeah. Brought yours. He would have been all over you.
Watch this cost me $18, I'm telling you.
I don't think it's going to cost you $18. It's going to cost you $36.
I don't know if that would have gotten my license plate.
What do we got?
$18.
Oh, dude, are you kidding?
I'm telling you.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
We just left the rooftop. We were around there for a while. We were gonna go to El Camino, but not enough people kind of showed up. We thought a few more people would show up, but no one actually did. It sounds so sad, bro.
No, it was super exclusive.
It was super. It was invite only, actually.
Yeah. You had to be there.
Anyway, back to the regular programming. Now we cancelled that booking, and now we're on the way to none other than Mr. Slim Jim's.
Where? Sorry, where?
Guzman y Gomez. Because they sell healthy food there. That'd be terrible.
You were the one that said you didn't want to go to Slim's anymore.
No, I wouldn't ever want to eat there.
I'll see it. It was my fault.
I was like, should we go straight? And you're like, yep. You're literally looking at a chart. I was like, oh, okay.
So, yeah, we're supposed to turn
Where do I go?
right there. Right.
Right here?
Right, yep. No, I'm taking this to Toyota, bro.
I'm so sorry. My navigator can't read. Dude, should we go right?
Dude, I looked at my map and it was like straight for like 10 Ks, and I was
Should
like,
we go straight?
yep.
Wait.
Yeah, I think that cop was being genuine when he said like it's clean.
You reckon, or was it like a? Yeah, it's clean. Yeah. I'm in a defect.
He said it in like a way, but he also took a fine look at your front.
Did he?
Probably your number plate. Yeah.
I was standing over here on the phone. We had two police officers park like just over there. And I was on the phone, so they got out and walked over and asked Kylan if he owns the car. Safe to say I shit a brick. Apparently he thinks it's clean. I don't know if that's true or not.
Bro, I sold it to him. I said, nah, it's this guy's car. He's bro, he's under 100 mil, bro. See all this stuff? Yeah. He's
Oh, check his steering wheel. Check his steering wheel.
Yeah, his steering wheel, bro. Shift knob's not on properly, something like that.
I only got a small single burger, so I didn't feel like crap afterwards. This man got a big bacon double. Cuzzy. How you feeling, bud? And a thick shake. Brava.
I'm going all in, bro.
Brava. You're gonna be on the toilet tonight.
Yeah, we'll be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that concludes the little Supra meet. Hope you enjoyed the cinematics.
I'll cut to the scene of us street drifting.
Nah, we're still here.
That would have been pretty cool.
That would have been pretty cool. Look, YouTube magic doesn't work like that, okay? You're gonna choke on something later.
Dude,
Save some choke.
That's the third time you've said something really weird within the past 10 minutes.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash the like button. Leave me a comment and subscribe. We're so close to 10k. We're like 50 subs off 10k or something, so.
Actually, good thing to add, if you had the chance to buy a really old car and put 50 grand into it, what car would you buy?
Alright, that's the question. If you could buy a car, any car, and
It
put
has to be
50k
like
into it, what car would it be?
Pre-2000.
Pre-2000s. Let me know down in the comments. See ya.
I just had the worst experience in Slims.
Yeah.
I walk in there to go wash my hands, into the bathroom. I walk into the first one straight ahead. Guy's got his cock out, pissing. I'm like, oh, sorry, mate. He's like, oh. Yeah, pretty much like that. And I walk into the other one,
Yeah.
and I'm washing my hands. I go to pull like the paper towel out, the whole paper thing like falls off the wall, bro, and the paper goes everywhere. I'm like, what? I just sort of pick it up, stuff it back in there, sort of like rest
You've
it.
contaminated all the paper.
Yes. But I had clean hands. I just washed them. And I just like rest it against the sink like that, and I just get the fuck out of there, bro. I almost saw some random guy's cock in there. And then, I don't even think he locked the door. And then I'm walking out, and this little girl's like, oh, I gotta go to the toilet. Oh! Bro! There's a criminal investigation in there right now.
Slims is under investigation, buddy. Oh, that's funny ass.